Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make stepping stone with concrete and with the use of a mold. Here is the mold I bought from eBay. I'll put the link in the description box. It's very solid plastic and it works pretty well. The dimension is about 11 inches wide and about 1 inch deep. If you want to make stepping stone, make sure it has deeper depths, at least 1 inch, so it doesn't crack too easily. And this is my first stone. I did it yesterday. It's from the regular concrete mix, so it's not the quick dry one. So it's not fully dry yet. And I got a little crack on the side when I try to take it out. And you can see the detail is not too bad. The sun and moon eclipse. I like this pattern a lot. It's pretty close to the mold. And you can also add the color so it stands out even more. This is the first concrete mix I use. That's a brand, and it's not a quick dry one. I use about 1/3 of the bag to make one stepping stone. And mine is 1 inch deep, so you can see you will need a lot if you want to make a lot of stones. So I bought this one today. It's fast setting and supposed to set in 30 minutes. So that will be more practical if you only have one mold and you want to make a lot of stepping stones. And other supplies you need, it'll be nice to have a mask because the powder will fly everywhere. And you'll need some type of gloves and a vegetable oil or any type of oil. I have the sunflower cooking oil. That's to grease the mold so it'll be easier to release the stepping stone. And you'll need some type of stick to stir the concrete mix. And you also need some type of bucket to mix your concrete. The first thing is to apply a thin layer of oil onto the mold. And don't need a lot. And just wipe. Or if you have a brush, you can brush on. And don't forget the sides. Now it's time to mix the concrete. We don't want to mix too much at once because we don't want to have extras. And just add water a little bit at a time. It's very easy to over water it. This is more of the consistency I'm looking for. And for the first layer, the layer with pattern, it's better to be a little bit runny, more water, so it can go into all the details. So next thing, we just have to pour the concrete mix to the mold. And I'm going to use this. And try to shake a little bit so it's more even, especially the first layer. If you add more water, it will be smoother, but too much water will weaken the concrete mix. The drying time really depends on what type of concrete you get, and it also depends on the weather. If it's humid and rainy, it will take longer to dry. So that's how I make stepping stone with mold. It saves a lot of money than buying ready-made stepping stone. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much and see you next time.